Hello you guys, welcome back to Munchkin time, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite cakes. Yummy chocolate layers covered in white delicious frosting. You guys gonna love this recipe. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also like this video if you like it. Now let's make this delicious goodness. In the mixing bowl, combine 2 eggs and 1 cup of sugar. Whisk until everything's combined. Then add half a cup of butter. Whisk it all in. Add a little splash of white vinegar into 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk it all in and add it to the batter. Next, add 7 tablespoons of warm milk. Then add 4.5 tablespoons of cacao. And the last ingredient, 2.5 cups of flour. Whisk everything in until everything's combined. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or for 1 hour. Now let's make a delicious cake frosting. Into a mixing bowl, add half a cup of cold, heavy whipping cream. Whisk for about 3 minutes on high speed or until stiff peak forms. Next, add 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 can of condensed milk and 1 cup of butter. Whisk until everything's combined, then cover it and set aside by placing it in the fridge. Now let's bake our delicious cake. Cut out 8 parchment papers and set aside. Remove the cake dough out of the fridge and divide it into 8 pieces. Dust your hands and dough with flour so it doesn't stick to your hands. Next, onto your parchment paper, add some flour, then place the dough ball onto it and roll it out into a circle. Then, using a plate and a butter knife, cut out a perfect circle. Repeat the step until everything is rolled out and cut into a perfect circle. Now, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Place chocolate layers onto a baking sheet and bake for about 3 minutes or until it's baked through. After baking it, remove the extras and let the cake layers cool down completely. After each cake layer is baked and cooled down, let's assemble our cake. I like to add a little bit of frosting on the cake stand before adding my first layer. That way it's not gonna slide. Now spread each cake layer with frosting. Also add frosting on the sides of the cake. Place the bowl with chocolate over the boiling water and stir until the chocolate melts. Spread the chocolate glaze over the cake and add raspberries. Dip raspberries into melted chocolate and add it to the cake. Now let's take the crumbles from the cake, the leftovers, and roll them into tiny little pieces. Using your hands, add the crumbles onto the sides of the cake. Dust the cake with powdered sugar and voila! Let the cake rest for at least 2 hours before serving. Thank you so much for watching. Now who wants a slice? Let me know in the comments if you would like to try this cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please come follow me on Instagram at Munchkin Time Blog. I'll see you guys later. Bye!